How to know when you have a good person in your life? One, that person is forgiving. Two, that person shows sympathy and they will empathize. Let's say, for example, you have someone in your life and you hurt that person. But during that hurt, you develop some difficulties, maybe financial issues, maybe sickness, but that person turn around and nurse you, clear your financial issues. Then they may leave you. But when you have a wicked person in your life, they will hurt you and blame you. Show no remorse. They don't sympathize. They doesn't apologize. They doesn't care. That's how you know you have a wicked person in your life.